Are you on a diet? I thought so. But are you struggling as temptation is everywhere? You just know you'll never stick to it. That's because you're not using a food diary. Research proves using a food diary is the most effective way to lose and maintain weight.
With the CheckYourFood.com food diary, you can track all nutrients, create personal menu plans, and even analyze your own recipes to see how nutritious they are.
Making it easier to avoid this and stick to this. So now you can check your food and keep your diet on track. But wait, there's more. You can also track your children's food to make sure the little ones are getting all the nutrients they need to be healthy. Check your food and keep on track.